Welcome to Common Sense Investing. My name is Cameron, and today I'm introducing a new video series to you, $5 in 5 minutes, where I try to introduce to you one penny stock in around 5 minutes or less. Today I'm introducing ZTest Electronics, which in just 2024 alone rocketed up from about 8 cents per share to about 36 cents per share and is now down to about 22 or 23 cents. So I have to ask the question here, is there opportunity in this share price drop? Now, credit where credit is due, this is not my stock pick. Back on February 27, 2024, Small Cap Discoveries released their Cheapies with a Chance report with ZTest Electronics at the very top, and that report helped this company and their financials get noticed by investors. Small Cap Discoveries is a paid service, however, keep in mind they offer a lot of free content. I will link to them down below in the pinned comment. But now back to ZTest, and what was a 4x stock is now a little under 3x. And what do? Well, they're an established print circuit board assembler servicing a wide variety of customers in a broad spectrum of industries. Of course, printed circuit boards are needed just about everywhere. And looking at some of their numbers for the past 9 months, from June 30th to March 31st, 2024, cash is up $1.1 million in 9 months. Their accounts receivable is up. They have $5.6 million in assets on $2.8 million of liabilities. Liabilities is not going up while assets are. This is a beautiful, beautiful assets over liabilities. This is all over 9-month revenue growing from $3.9 million to $6.9 million. That's 77% growth. Their gross margin went from $1.1 million to $2.7 million. Expenses have not gone up as much as their revenue or their profit, going from $1.1 to $1.3 million. So really keeping their expenses in check. And of course, that results in a fantastic net income, going from negative $30,000 last year to $1.2 million of net income in the past 9 months. And with cash being king in 2024, ZTest Electronics is doing incredible with operating cash of $1.4 million, a change from negative $11,000 in 2023. At the end of the day, in 9 months, they've had an increase of cash of $1.1 million after paying off that loan and some lease liability. So again, pretty beautiful. Looking at their trailing 12-month return on invested capital, this has gone from about negative 14% all the way up to about positive 68%. Price to sales, because this company hasn't always been making earnings, so it's hard to evaluate them on anything but price to sales. Of course, went up massively during COVID, as most companies did. Then in 2022, it came crashing down. But recently, thanks to their financial success, they're starting to get some improved valuation numbers. And ZTest Electronics is doing that all on a fully diluted share count of around 40 million shares. So look, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm definitely not your financial advisor. This is not financial advice. This is simply how I invest, not how to invest, and I could be wrong. So please go do all your own research. This is just a short introductory video. But if you've been watching my channel, I've been making a lot of videos looking for how to find the next 10x penny stock. If you're new to my channel, I will link to this video down below in the pinned comment. And typically I'm looking for these things in a stock. Is revenue trending up? Is earnings trending up? Is cash trending up? Is ROIs trending up? Is valuation trending up? And the answer to all these questions for ZTest Electronics is yes. The revenue is up 77%. They have growing earnings. They have growing cash, significantly growing cash. Their ROIs is trending up. Their valuation is trending up. So please go take a look at ZTest Electronics. Let me know what you think. Just looking at my software program, this is a small, tiny market cap company that is running at a low PDE and a low EV to EBITDA. This isn't even forecasted 2024 numbers. This is trailing 12-month valuation. So are they cheap? Do they have potential? Go find out. Why is this stock down recently? Well, in my opinion, go look at CDR. You'll find that this stock has had some insider selling. Some people don't like that. It seems to have driven share price down. Is that opportunity? That's up to you. And for more discussion on ZTest Electronics and a pile of other stocks that have made people money, do not forget that I have a paid Patreon with a Discord where we have great conversation on all these stocks. Thank you for your time. Happy investing.